Hi, I'm Kyra. I'm just some student who wants to declare the CS major. My shtick is that I'm obsessed with music, even though I haven't taken any music classes yet. Still, I like to compose my own music, like this. But anyway, aren't these planets a bit slow? Well, this is how they sounded like earlier. My extreme code plays sounds of varying frequencies depending on their position and direction of travel. I got this idea when I discovered the main method of the standard audio class. From there, I decided to use sine waves for music. More noise. Anyway, enough with these basic planets. Let's do something more awesome. Right, the number of planets also affects the speed, so let's slow this down. The standard audio sample rate is important to determining the length of the sounds. But if I kept that rate, it would take a second to play every note. So I divided that by the number of planets so each frame takes 1 second. I also added a command line argument so you can have control of the speed. That way you can see the planets move normally, at the cost of your eardrums. How can some sort of melody turn into virtually one note? Well, pitch has frequency. If you play a rhythm fast enough, it will begin to have a discernible pitch. Ouch, that's too loud. I've got a few more examples here. Why not give them a listen? Here's a 3-body system. The top notes seem to trickle down while the bottom notes rise up. If you slow it down to the first speed, it turns out to be a rather odd waltz. I'll just let you listen a bit more. Enjoy. Yeah, this is really slow. When are they going to be horizontal now? I'm starting to hear the earth actually make a sound now. Let's move on now. Okay, we're back at that really loud clip now. You can really hear that sound distort, or maybe just a bit. Well, I better get going now. I hope you enjoy these really odd sine wave noises. Bye! Oh no, not this again.